Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. IBM to cut thousands of jobs as it prioritizes AI, software, and cloud growth. IBM plans to lay off a low single digit percentage of its global workforce in Q4 2025, potentially thousands of jobs, as part of its shift toward AI driven cloud software and high margin services. With around 270,000 employees at the end of 2024, the cuts could affect several thousand roles. Although some US positions may be impacted, IBM expects US employment to stay roughly level year on year. Under CEO Arvind Krishna, the company is doubling down on software and cloud AI opportunities, even as it recorded a slowdown in cloud software growth. Amazon cracks down on Perplexity AI shopping bot for breaching storefront rules. Amazon has issued a legal demand to stop Comet AI browser, developed by Perplexity AI, from accessing its platform to make purchases on behalf of users, accusing it of violating terms by masking automated activity as human browsing. Perplexity counters that Amazon is stifling innovation and limiting consumer choice. The clash highlights growing tensions over how agentic AI tools should interact with large e-commerce platforms and govern user autonomy. Motorola launches Moto G67 Power with 7,000 mAh battery and Sony 50MP sensor in India. Motorola Moto G67 Power 5G is set to debut in India on November 5, 2025, featuring standout specs including a massive 7,000 mAh battery crafted with silicon carbon technology and capable of up to 58 hours of use. The handset is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, paired with 8GB RAM, expandable virtually up to 24GB and up to 256GB storage. For photography, it boasts a 50MP Sony LYT600 main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP front camera, all capable of 4K video capture. The device also sports a 6.7 FHD+ display with a 120Hz refresh rate, MIL 810H certification for durability, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, and IP64 splash resistance. While official pricing is yet to be confirmed, early reports suggest it could be priced around Rs 23,990. WhatsApp launches native app for Apple Watch, offering full chat experience on wrist. WhatsApp from Meta Platforms is now available as a native app for the Apple Watch Series 4 or later, running watchOS 10 or above, moving beyond mere notification mirroring. The new wearable app allows users to read full conversations, send replies via voice, emoji reactions, and audio notes, and receive full call alerts directly on their watch. All communications remain protected with end-to-end encryption. The update represents a significant enhancement to WhatsApp's functionality on wrist-worn devices. WhatsApp Realme UI 7.0 launches with Android 16, arrives in India. Starting November, Realme UI 7.0, based on Android 16, has been officially announced, bringing a refreshed light glass design, enhanced AI features like notification briefs and camera-assisted framing, and performance boosts of up to 29% in scrolling smoothness. The update first debuts on the Realme GT 8 Pro and begins rolling out to other eligible models in India from November 2025, with a second wave planned in Q1 2026. Realme Google prepares to retire. Assistant fully transitioning to Gemini AI. Google Assistant is set to be phased out as Google Gemini becomes Google's default AI-powered assistant across mobile, smart home, and other connected devices. According to Android Authority code findings, Google is removing the toggle to switch back to Assistant in favor of Gemini. The move reflects Google's broader strategy, signaling a transition from traditional voice-based assistants to a generative AI experience that understands context, handles complex tasks, and integrates deeply across apps and services. Today's AI tool is Face Swap AI redefining digital creativity and personalization. Face Swap AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool that allows users to seamlessly exchange faces in photos and videos with remarkable precision. Powered by deep learning and facial recognition algorithms, it ensures realistic blending of facial features, lighting, and expressions. The tool is popular for content creation, marketing, entertainment, and social media personalization. With an easy-to-use interface and ethical safeguards, FaceSwap AI enables users to explore creative storytelling and digital editing while maintaining authenticity and privacy. OpenAI launches Sora Video Gen app on Android, expanding AI creativity. Vastly Sora, the AI-powered video creation app from OpenAI, has launched on Android in several regions, including the US, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam. Previously iOS exclusive since September, the app lets users generate short AI videos, remix content, and use cameo features to insert themselves or others into scenes. The rapid expansion reflects its viral uptake, over 1 million downloads in under 5 days on iOS. The Android rollout marks a major expansion of OpenAI's creative AI ecosystem into mobile video generation. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.